Welcome to Sonals food channel. Today's recipe is Dal Khichdi, and if you like my other recipes as well as this one, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let's go ahead and make the Dal Khichdi. For this, first take 3/4 cup of rice. Any kind of rice is fine. I am using basmati rice, and 1/4 cup of moong dal. Wash and rinse this in water properly and then soak it in 1 cup of water for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes or so, in a pressure cooker, put about 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil and let it heat up. Then put a couple of pinches of Asafoetida or hing and let it splutter. Then add some cumin seeds and some rye. Put some curry leaves and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then put some chopped garlic, and if you want you can add some ginger too, and 1 green chilli. Then put some finely chopped onion and saute this until the onion is soft. Now the onion looks soft, so let's go ahead and add the tomatoes. This is about 1 small tomato chopped into small pieces, and again saute this for just a few seconds. Then add some green peas or other vegetables as you desire, like beans, and saute this for a couple of minutes. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before we go ahead and add the rice. Now put about half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Put about half to 3/4 teaspoon of salt or as per your desire or taste, and mix this well. Then put the soaked rice and dal mixture along with the water and mix this well. Now since we are making Dal Khichdi, which is kind of little runny and has a very soft and moist texture, we will be adding a lot of water into it. I have added about 3 more cups of water. So for 1 cup of rice and dal mixture, we have added 3.5 to 4 cups of water. Now taste the water in order to understand the balance of the spices and the salt, and adjust the amount of spices or salt as per your desired taste. Then cover this with the pressure cooker lid and cook it for about 6 to 7 whistles. After 6 whistles, this is how the Dal Khichdi looks. It's still runny and cooked very well, mashed very well. So finish it up by sprinkling some chopped coriander leaves and serve this hot with some ghee for enhancing its taste further. The Dal Khichdi is ready to serve, and you can have this as a meal for kids, for elderly people, for people who are sick, having problems with their stomach, because this is really tasty and a filling food for anybody who loves rice dishes.